My name is NURUL dan SYAKIRAH BINTI ABDUL HADI. My matric number NURFATIHAH 220054. In this assignment, we choose a disc brake as our product. A disc brake is a type of device to slow down or to stop the rotation of vehicle wheels. It's also called as rotor. Disc brakes are usually made of ceramic composites, including carbon, Kevlar, silica, and attached to the wheel and axle. In addition, ceramic composite has been defined to consist two or more fundamentally different components that are able to act synergistically to give properties superior to those provided by either component alone. They are also more abrasion resistant to brake pads, and they are less expensive to produce. Materials are all around us, from clothes we wear to the car we drive, cooking equipment, athletic equipment, and replacement joints and limbs. Material science also makes up all matter in the universe, and the world we live in is both depend on and limited by the materials. In general, material science engineers explore material scientific fundamentals, design, and processing for real-world applications, such as apply the basic principles of chemistry and physics to understand the structure and properties of materials.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti NURFATIHAH binti Muhammad Rizal. My number matric is CD220048. Today I will explain about material selection that we chose to our product. Before I start to explain about material that we choose for our product, I will explain about the material selection first. Material selection is a step in the process of designing any physical object. The main goal of material selection is to minimize cost while meeting product performance goal. Material selection, the act of choosing the most suitable material to achieve the requirement of a particular application or product. They also have some of the important characteristic of material, which is strength, durability, flexibility, weight, resistant to heat and corrosion, ability to cast, welded or hardened, machinability, and electrical conductivity. There has many different factors used to determine selection requirement, such as mechanical properties, chemical properties, physical properties, and electrical properties and cost. For our product, we choose carbon ceramic as a material because it used to make a braking system for sport cars. Carbon ceramic brake discs are part of a special class of material. It called ceramic matrix composite. There are 4 advantages of carbon ceramic brake over conventional brake, which is brake fat resistant, durability, cleaner brakes, and lightness. For brake fat resistant, it's excellent at dissipating friction heat, so it's less likely to reaction excessively high temperature. So this is allow the carbon ceramic brake to consistently provide steady braking performance. For the next one is durability. Durability ceramic composite brake discs are tough and highly resistant to wear, but the lifetime of carbon ceramic brake is can go down if you are prone to aggressive driving habit. Okay, for the cleaner brakes, conventional cast iron brake rotor or steel rotor undergoes a lot of wear and generate lots of dust. Meanwhile, carbon ceramic brakes are highly resistant to abrasion. And even if your carbon ceramic brake rotor does start to wear, the brake dust generate is so fine. For the last one is lightness. Ceramic carbon are very lightness, and in addition, it also quiet operation, corrosion resistant, and unique appearance. And for ceramic carbon also have a disadvantage, which is the cost is very expensive. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, I will MAARIF with MUSTAFFA from present about manufacturing and process. Before this, bread is made directly from molten brittle ceramic material, but research found short carbon and soft can solve the problem using carbon fiber, carbon powder, and heat mold resin. Then, when shape of disc brake obtained by heating and cooling, another ceramic add silicon to harden the disc brake. New material called silicon carbide. Next process. First method are using in production of disc brake we call metallurgical process. To begin this process, following ingredients short carbon fiber, carbon powder, and heat mold resin must be mixed. Once half full, the mold is removed and insert the aluminium core into a belt. Then automatic machine fill the other half of cavity. Once cavity is full, using the cover of other half of the permanent mold, then close and press. Then the fully covered mold sent to large 20 ton and heating process.
Assalamualaikum, my name is SITI binti Omar. My nominated is CD220056. For now, I'm going to explain about selection of suitable material and purchasing. Our product, we choose the carbon ceramic disc brake, but in carbon ceramic disc brake, they actually use the carbon fiber. For our selection material, we change to SiC, which is silicon carbide. So now, I'm going to explain what is the silicon carbide. As I said earlier, we use carbon ceramic disc brake, which is they use the carbon fiber. So the reason we use the SiC is because the properties between the silicon carbide and carbon fiber actually is the same. So now I'm going to explain to you the properties and the type of silicon carbide. The type of SiC actually have two different types. Firstly, they have black SiC and also green SiC. So now I'm going to explain the first one about the black SiC. Okay, so now I'm going to explain about the black SiC. The black SiC actually contain 98.5% and also made from the quartz sand, and the main raw material is high quality silica. And also between the black and the green SiC, the toughness of black SiC more higher than green SiC. And also mainly used for purchasing material with a low tensile strength, such as glass, ceramic, stone, and non-ferrous metal. As I said earlier, for the black SiC actually 98.5%, but for the green SiC actually contain 99% SiC. And it's also made from the same raw material, is a high quality silica. So as you can see, this is the SiC properties. They have 8 different type of properties. For example, the second one is molecular weight is 40.1, and also for the appearance is black, and also portion ratio is 0.15 until 0.21, and also the specific heat is 970 until 1180. Now I'm going to explain about SiC ceramic specification. As you can see, they have 3 different items, also description and priority. For the first item is the priority is 85%, the second one is 90%, and the last one is 98%. Even the priority is different, but the description is the same. And also you can see from the first one, the FC is contained 25%, and also is different with the others specification.
In conclusion, these brakes are classified into carbon fiber ceramic brake disc and metal brake disc according to the different materials. However, due to high manufacture cost of carbon fiber ceramic brake disc and poor braking power at low temperature, although they have excellent heat damage resistance, but they still have excellent heat resistance. To improve resistance to heat damage, some manufacturers are also use carbon fiber treatment to improve their ability in this area. To summarize, we choose this brake because the disc brake system has a fast response and it can perform high frequency braking action. And this brake disc has more line with the requirement of the ABD system compared to the drum brake disc. These brakes have a simple structure and are easy to maintain.